So my name is Adegboro Atolagbe. So I'm into network marketing business. So I'm doing my business online. So what I want to talk about is free webinar, how digital marketer can earn a healthy income without depending on gig and job. Even you can be a new into digital marketing, or you can even have a job, but you still need a side hustle. So my goal for this webinar in this evening is how to start your e-commerce business from home, how to make a 6-figure income monthly from your e-commerce shop. That is my goal for you. So according to what I said that my name is Adegboro Atolagbe. I started my career as a network marketer since 2017, and I've been in this business for years now. I'm a digital skill training for business. I'm also a lead trainer for network marketing business. So I also build businesses offline that generate 6-figure income monthly also. So I've trained and mentored several people, both online and also offline. So can you see them now? So I train a lot of people. So you may be thinking, what else do I still need? Likewise, you have a business. You may be thinking, what else do you still need to join network marketing? You need many things. Number one, future focus. It started when I was thinking about how I can do. How it started. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti pé kí ni mo lè ṣe pàápàá tí màá fi ní freedom in next 20 years and beyond. When I was thinking what I can do to create freedom for myself in next 20 years and beyond. I don't know your age, but let's assume you are 30 years and you have 20 years to it. You know, that means you are 50 years, isn't it?
Yes.
And
yes.
let's assume you are doing tailor. At the age of 50 years, can you be doing tailor again?
No.
Definitely, you need work to invest your time on now, your skills, your resources, even your finances to create the future for you. You just need a business that you will do to 3 to 5 years. And in this business, you can't just join now and become millionaire next month, but you can join and make it within a year, but let's just say 3 to 5 years. But what important is that you have to become an expert at it. You understand me? So the components of the business is, number one, the component of all business is vehicle, engine, and fuel. What are the vehicle? Products and services. And I just wonder, some businesses, they say that come and join me, but they don't have products, they don't have service they are render. So any business that have product and service, they must have market system.
Yes.
If they don't have market system, it will be like MMM, just rob Peter and pay Paul. And again, the fuel is traffic. Any motor that doesn't have fuel will never go to anywhere. The fuel is traffic. Let's assume now you have a shop. They will ask you, where is the location of the shop? Maybe people can easily come there. That is why you need visitors, you need new people. Any new people that enter in church make the church boom. So that's it. So product selection criteria, booming industry. This business has been existing more than 60 years. And great solid company, in company that is solid for some years, that haven't collapsed. There are a lot of companies that have already collapsed. Let's say 90. Now there's nowhere to be found. And world classes high in demand products. This company have already have product, and they know the product in all over in the world. Even though if you travel to America, you will see it there. And you don't need to be bothering yourself that if you travel to London, how can I be doing my business? If you go there, you will see them there. So, and booming industry today. What are the booming industry today? Number one, micro mobility. What is called micro mobility? Like e-bike, let's say boats, let's say Uber. And if you are in Lagos, some bike man they call go-karter. That's what they call micro mobility. And e-learning. What is e-learning? Like learning online, like computer, like anything like that. That's what they call e-learning. Personalized nutrition. What is personalized nutrition? Personalized nutrition are because in Nigeria we don't value our health, but just in COVID-19 now make us value our health. They let us realize that we need to boost our immune system so that we won't see attack. Wearable tech like Apple Watch, like more than that. Solar. What is called solar power in Nigeria? There is no electricity. We use solar to survive ourselves.
Yeah.
So internet publishing, you know now, Vanguard News, they are also in internet now. E-commerce. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is just like Jumia, like Konga, and so on and so forth. Software like Microsoft Word, CorelDRAW, like that. Money related like Bitcoin, all those online that deal with money. Health related, and what is love and relationship? You know, Facebook now, some people see their love partner there, like Tinder. Those are booming industry today. But in this company, you will see a lot of what you see here in my screen now. Because if they are talking about money related, this company pay a lot of money. If they are talking about e-commerce, even though in our e-commerce company here, they service both all over the world, more than 60 countries. In the company have already exists in those places, and it is related with personal nutrition. So this company have already get all these things. In this company, we have it all. So are you ready to learn? You can type yes in the chat box, or you say it. Are you ready to learn? Amen.
Yes, let me type it.
So now what you need is traffic. You need traffic. You may be thinking, what is called traffic? Traffic is not just Lagos to Ibadan traffic or Ado to Ikere traffic. No. What do you call traffic? Now, 50 ways to get traffic. Number one, you understand what they call email. You understand what they call Facebook pages, Twitter, Facebook group, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. Even though there is WhatsApp here. So that's the way to drive traffic to your business. In fact, you don't need to trek, and you'll be making it a lot of money if you can drive traffic from these 50 ways. Even though you don't need all the 50 to drive traffic. There is Instagram here. You don't need a lot of it to drive traffic. You don't need simple there. But I will just tell you there are more than 50 ways to drive traffic in your business. Now, vehicle, product, and services. In any company, they say that come and join us, but they don't have what they are producing. They are 419. So this company have products. Take a typical example. You wear clothes there, right? Isn't it? Aṣọ lẹ́wọ̀ àbí? One company produce that cloth now.
Yes.
That is their own products. So in this company, we have a product and we render services. So now this is a business. The explanation of the business. In this business, you are for yourself, but not by yourself. That this will say you will join, you will start for yourself. You are the one going to join, but you don't know everything. We are the one to mentor you. We are the one to monitor you. That is the reason why you are not by yourself. So number one, you will join. You will collect a starter kit. So when you collect a starter kit, a lot of nutrition items are following the kit, the registration. So a lot of things like compensation plan, lifestyle, marketing plan, a lot of things like that follow it. But what are you going to be doing? There is in the company have already supplied products. What are the products? Skincare, home care, and healthcare. Though there is no skincare in Nigeria now, but there is still healthcare and home care. So what will you now
And
be
farm
doing?
here too.
Yes, now what is farm care is also home care. What do you now to be doing? The company have already you don't need to go and build your own website again. The company have already built website for you. And company give you two websites, one to monitor your business and one to monitor your customers. That one is customer service. So now ordering, you order the products from the company. So you don't need to go to company before you order the product. You can order it online. Your customer can order it online through you because the company have already generated the website for you. So once you order online like this, the company will distribute the product. They will take the product to logistics, and the logistics will distribute the product. And at the end of the month, the company will pay you. This company I'm talking about, they will pay you into your local bank accounts. So can you imagine? Very simple. And in this company, we have 5 ways to pay, to make money in this company. On a man, but and to actually join, any boss that just join is 2 ways. What are the 2 ways? Number 2, one lady quick money. Nepa products yẹn. They even though daily income yẹn gan lásán ojú owó tó ń san lóṣù lọ. Because I see people they making 100,000, 150,000, more than that with the product only. And the company, at the end of the day, they don't say that you have seen a profit in product only. They will pay you again to your local bank account, because once you register now, the company, you will attach your account number there. And immediately you register, the company will give you the website, because it is online business, practically online. So engine is marketing system. Once you follow the market system, you are a superstar. So these are my websites, my e-commerce website now that the company built for me. Can you see now? These are my e-commerce website. Products are already there, and they have already put the prices. They sell the product. Everything is now there. If you are using phone to see me on Zoom now, just put your Zoom phone in auto rotation so that you can see it very well. Put it in landscape form so that you can see it very well. But if you are using laptop, you are ready to go, because I'm using laptop now. So these are the apps. You don't need to go and build app again. Even though I don't know to build app, the company have already built it for you. It's legit. This one for monitor your business, this one to monitor your customer, this one to monitor your business. So this company will give you the campaign, where if someone want to know more about your business or about your product, they will just type his name, type his phone number and email address, and they will send it. The site that company gave to you, immediately lower my contact. That's what they call autoresponder. And you attend to the person. www.wellness.triumphnewlife.com. That is the site that I was given by the company. That is my own site. So once you register now, you will have your own too. So second, and this drip and email marketing system, the company will give you all this training video, presentation viewer, all this. The company will give you this, the one that company give me now. So you don't need to go and be stressing yourself. Even though if you don't know how to do it, I will teach you. I'm a teacher. I will personally teach you. So
okay, that's on the TNL app.
Yes, now this one is a TNL app. And again, the company deliver product in case, because the company deliver product 3 to 4 days. It may be the place is far, but if your customer say that he can't wait to that extent, so you just in Lagos now, this is Lagos Go Kada. You just call Go Kada by app. So you now type the customer name, the require email, everything like in phone number, and the address, GoCada will go and distribute the products to your customer, and you will be paying. Simple. Can you see now? See now.
Yes.
See the video now. See now. See, this is logistic company. Even though you can even think as the typical of logistic company, logistic company, how to distribute the product yet if you don't want to use GoCada. And see now, I'm in my house now. So a customer just just come to me that he wanted a product. Just on Facebook, can you imagine 120,000 products? And see now, see the product now. I just want, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you see now? See the product now. See now.
Yes.
So that is it. And see now, the way they are transferring money, the way they transfer money. Can you imagine? This one is from Enugu, this one is from Anambra, this one is from Imo State. See now, where I don't know, where I haven't see. See a lot of things that company will give you and the price list. They will give you, you will own a nutritionist startup ownership, you become the ownership immediately. Product web integrated with payment system. See now, mobile app for marketing and business analytics. See now, email marketing and drip autoresponder. You know, I've told you all this thing they will give you. Done for you, creative content hooks and free domain and hosting for people. And I'm going to support you. That's the support system. Let me tell you something. If you go to any places and you want this, maybe those people are web design, graphic design, this is the total amount they will collect from you. $9,040. Can you imagine? Is in Nigeria money is 5,152,800 naira. But NeoLife never collect such amount from you. Honestly, it is free. NeoLife have already done it for you. But let's assume you want to go and do it outside. This actual amount you're going to pay, unless if it's not international. But NeoLife will never collect this actual amount from you. Just token money. The money that is not even worth more than $50. NeoLife is going to collect for you. But let me tell you something. You have two choices. Do nothing and take a leap of faith. Hello, me as and option 2, take a leap of faith. Get started now and just give it a while. Give yourself a chance for once. Hello, me as nǹkan ọ̀tún lélẹ́yìí pàápàá nínú ọdún tuntun. Jẹ́ kí èmi náà ṣe nínú oṣù tuntun a máa wáyé. Jẹ́ kí èmi náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ nǹkan ọ̀tún, because it is an insanity to do the same thing and be expecting different results. But if you do new thing, your life is going to new. Honestly, olówó ló ń ṣọ̀rọ̀ olówó, òtòṣì ń ṣọ̀rọ̀ ara wọn ni. Tó o bá ṣe nǹkan tá à ń ṣe, ayé adé rí bí ayé tiwa ṣe rí. You don't get me? So bó ṣe rí nìyẹn o. See, èló gan nílé iṣẹ́ wa tó kó o fi register, kó o fi gba gbogbo nǹkan wọ̀nyẹn. Either you register with 20,600 or you register with 25,500 and 26,500. Kí wá ní ìyàtọ̀ nínú méjèèjì? What is the difference between two kits? There is no difference. The products are just the difference. Product tó máa bá lè wá is training kits, only 20,600. Product tó máa bá lè wá is proprietary products, that's 26,500. So product to training, let's assume you want to sell it, which I'm not advising you. You use it for your health. If you want to sell it, you will sell it at least 14,000 to 15,000 naira. Let's assume you deduct 15,000 naira from 20,600. Just talking. This one also, if you want to sell proprietary, you will sell it like 23,000. Deduct 23,000 from 26,500 naira. Can you imagine now? But use it for your head, because nǹkan tó burú jù ní pé kéèyàn máa ná sí àìsàn kó dẹ̀ wá rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ kó sọ pé pursue. You have to pursue your health first. Because if you don't pursue your
Yeah.
health, chronic disease will pursue you. So it is advisable to pursue your health. But if you say that you want to sell it, you will regain your money automatically. So a lot of things. And adúrú nǹkan tí NeoLife fẹ́ fún yín: autoresponder, email marketing, drip campaign, and everything. And I'm going to support you if you don't know how to do anything online. I'm going to support you. I told you it is free online marketing. Free me. I will teach you, even though if you don't know anything online, and it is a side business. You don't need to leave what you are doing. Just be doing it. At least, let's assume you are making 100,000, Abi you are making 50,000, and in this company you are making 100,000 naira again. Can you imagine that you are going up? Okay, lole. That is it. So, number one, I will help you create Google profile, Google My Business, www.google.com/business. I will help you to create it so that people will be contacting you through Google. Hello, a rí nọ́mbà yín lórí Google ni. Product kan la mà nídìí. Product báyìí, and you be making money. I'm making money online. I don't just waste my data. I am using my data for money. You too, you can turn your phone to shop. You can turn your laptop to shop. So YouTube video marketing. I will create YouTube for you. Because some people, they don't like reading, but they like watching. So if you have a video advertisement based on your product, they will see it on YouTube and they will contact you. Your number is there. See now, can you imagine? See the product and Formula 4 Plus, garlic, pro-vitality on YouTube. So can you imagine? Google ad. Let's assume you need targets. Let's say you need 100,000 today. You can do Google ad, and Google will find customer for you by fire by force, and you will make money on Google. Simple. I will teach you also. See now, can you imagine now? Let's assume you type GNAD product on Google. You will see me there immediately where I'm advertising phyto defense and carotenoid complex. See my number now. So that is it. So Facebook ad is also there. I will teach you how to do that. If you need money, 150,000 naira today, I will teach you how to do ad, and you will see the money. You don't need to stress again to just waka and tired. You will buy 2 handkerchiefs. You will be using one to rub your face. You will be using one to dust your shoe. You don't need that again. And you need Latin. Koto show you them online practically. I will teach you everything. See now, all the product I advertise now. All the product I advertise on phyto defense, carotenoid complex. This one for Facebook, this one for Instagram. The reason why I just advertise it like that, there is ad manager on Facebook. You just type the ad manager. You convert, you merge your Instagram to Facebook. It is easy to do because ẹni tó ní Instagram òun ló ní Facebook. Even though òun náà ló tún ní WhatsApp, but WhatsApp for business new. If you advertise your business directly on Instagram or on WhatsApp or Facebook, they will come to your WhatsApp directly. WhatsApp for business easily, and they will negotiate and you make money. That is it. So that is the end of our program. I told you, my name is Adegboro Atolagbe. This is my phone number. I'm a digital marketing for business. Even though I will say that I'm a digital transformer. So thank you. Is there any question you want to ask? Is there any question you want to ask? Hello? Number one, Google My Business. They are strict because they don't allow 419. That is the reason.
Okay.
Even though me before I can be verified, they requested for my house NEPA bill. You understand me? They requested for NEPA bill. So collecting 10 naira if you are collecting 10 naira in this company, just show them. They will approve it for you. That is simple. So
Okay.
any question again?
Okay. I think that's all because I would download the business WhatsApp business, so I can connect it to my Facebook and my Instagram.
But you have to be mentored and monitored. Okay.
Okay.
You don't know everything, but you have to be trained
Yeah.
for it. You have to be trained for it, because I was also trained for what I'm doing, for what I'm saying.
Okay.
So that is it anyway.
And I think I'll be needing a laptop if I'll be doing this online seminar for my guests.
And you need a laptop. You need a laptop because you can't do it on phone. Phone doesn't access all this. Your phone doesn't access it. So you need a laptop. But it is not a must to buy a laptop of 700,000, 800,000, 1 million. You can even buy the one that your aunt is rich. What you are capable. That is it. So for starting, and if you are making money, big money in the company, in fact, you'll be able to buy and purchase anything you want to buy. I remember last week I went to Bagada. Me and my colleagues, Sheyi Omotunde, maybe you know the person, and Afis Tijani is there. So Afis Tijani now log in to his password. Mr. Sheyi Omotunde is doing something, is connecting something there. So can you imagine? Afis Tijani last year check from January to December, the lowest income that Afis Tijani collects is 21 million naira. Can you imagine? That's the lowest income. Do you hear what I'm saying? 21 million. Just simple business just simple business we are doing. 21 million. So that is it. I believe if we can do it, God will help us.